If you're tired of remote jobs that expect nonstop calls, surprise meetings, and constant talking just to earn a paycheck, this video is for you. Because a lot of remote jobs aren't really remote freedom. They're just office noise moved into your house. And when you're starting from absolute zero, no remote experience, maybe changing careers, or you're just done with the noise, it can feel like there's no room for you. You open LinkedIn, and everyone looks louder than you, more confident than you, more qualified than you. And you start thinking, maybe remote work is only for people with connections, or people who already have perfect resumes, or people who live online. But here's what most people miss. Remote hiring in 2026 isn't about being loud. It's about being reliable, async-friendly, and demonstrably ready for focus work. And if I had to start from zero today, no connections, no prior remote roles, no remote experience on my resume, this is the exact 4-phase strategy I would use. No hacks, no shortcuts, just a plan that works. And yes, it's a plan that works for introverts, for quiet people, for people who don't want to be on the phone all day. Before we jump in, I want you to hear this part clearly. You don't need to become a different person to get hired remotely. You don't need to network harder. You don't need to post every day online. You don't need to pretend you love meetings. You just need to build the right signals for the right type of remote work. And that's what we're doing today. Let's start with the reality check. The remote job market changed. We are not chasing vague, easy money apps. We are not chasing hype. We are not chasing job titles that sound cool but drain you. We are targeting what I call quiet jobs. Quiet jobs are roles where your value is accuracy, consistency, and calm execution. Roles like data annotation, specialized admin support, claims processing, content moderation, data processing, quality reviewing, and certain types of chat-based support. They aren't flashy. They won't make you a millionaire overnight, but they offer steady income, minimal phone calls, and clarity about what you're expected to do. And if your nervous system is tired, if you're burned out, if you're starting over, quiet jobs are a realistic way in, because a lot of remote jobs still feel loud. They just move the noise into your home. We don't want that. Here's the timeline. This strategy is a slow burn, 30 to 90 days. And I know, some people hate that. But if you're starting from zero and you want a remote job that doesn't burn you out in 3 months, this is the way you win. We're not spraying applications everywhere. We're building something that makes sense. So think of this as a 4-phase system. Phase 1, focus. Phase 2, package. Phase 3, apply. Phase 4, improve. That's the whole game. Phase 1, the quiet foundation. The biggest mistake people make is applying to everything. Customer service, sales, marketing, data entry, admin, social media, all at once. And listen, I understand why. When you're stressed about money, you want options. But when a recruiter sees a resume that tries to be everything, it sends a confusing signal. It says, I just want any job, not I can do this job. And recruiters don't hire confusion. They hire clarity. So if I were starting today, I would choose 1, maybe 2 quiet paths, not 10. In 2026, strong beginner-friendly options include AI data labeling and specialized administrative support. Why? Because these roles reward accuracy, consistency, and independent focus. If you enjoy working alone, double-checking details, and spotting small errors that other people miss, that's a green flag. Now here's the part that changes everything. Don't guess what skills you need. Go to a job board. Pull up 5 listings for the same role. Not 5 random roles, the same role. Then look for patterns. You'll often see high attention to detail, experience with ticketing systems, Excel or Google Sheets, ability to follow style guides, written communication, accuracy, quality control, documentation. Those patterns are your roadmap.
Now we build signals.
You don't need a 4-year degree, you need proof. Choose one focused beginner course, Excel, a Google certificate, a structured YouTube course, a short training from a credible platform. Commit to 20 to 30 minutes per day, not just watching, doing. Because watching feels productive, but doing creates proof. If you want a data job, practice spreadsheets. If you want admin support, practice professional responses. If you want chat roles, practice calm writing. So when someone asks, "Are you comfortable with Excel?" you don't say, "Yes." You say, "Yes, I've been organizing data sets using pivot tables and structured formatting, and I can show samples." That specific confidence wins.
Phase 2, packaging yourself.
You don't need to be loud, you need to be clear. Your resume should look steady. No photos, no fancy columns, no graphics, no skill bars, no clutter. At the top, use a clear title: Data Entry Specialist, Administrative Support. Clarity reduces friction. I don't have remote experience. Employers aren't buying remote experience. They're buying process reliability. Retail becomes inventory records. Teaching becomes digital documentation. Warehouse becomes procedural accuracy. Office assistant becomes organized communication. Accuracy, consistency, documentation, written communication. That is quiet job gold.
Now in 2026,
Add one more thing: the quiet portfolio. A simple Google Drive folder or one-page PDF spreadsheet sample. 3 calm email responses. Annotation screenshot. This shifts from "trust me" to "here's evidence." Link it at the top of your resume. One link, that's it. Phase 3, applying quietly. Ignore apply to 50 jobs a day. Instead, 5 to 10 tailored applications per week. Use a tracker: company, role, date, follow-up, status. The tracker becomes your calm. Search quiet signals: async, written communication, back office, chat support, data processing. Avoid loud signals. 7 to 10 days after applying, send one short message. "Hi, name. Just checking in on my application for role. I'm still very interested. Portfolio attached. Thank you." Professional, calm, strategic. Phase 4, the long game. You will get rejected. You may get ghosted. That is math, not identity. Use rejection as data. No interviews? Fix resume. Interviews but no offers? Refine interviews. Every 30 days ask, "Am I better than last month? Is my Excel stronger? Is my portfolio better?" If yes, you are winning. Build one focused skill. Package clearly. Apply intentionally. Play the long game. If you stay consistent, the math works in your favor. And if you want to know which companies are actually hiring beginners and which roles include paid training, watch this next video. 5 beginner-friendly remote jobs with paid training, no calls, 2026. I'll see you there.